Thank you for returning to Wealthy Coins. This evening, the price of a Shiba Inu is expected to quadruple. Quite large. Updates about Shiba Inus. New coins and tokens for cryptocurrencies appear on the market on a daily basis, adding to their growing popularity. For example, Shibarium's debut and the Shiba Inu. The Shibarium blockchain is a planned Ethereum-based L2 network designed specifically for Shiba Inus. The meme coin Shiba Inu will become an ecosystem in and of itself as a result. The price of Shiba Inus is going to quadruple tonight, as we'll discuss in this video. Quite large. SHIB updates. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Shiba Inu has grown into a major meme coin and is now one of the 20 most valuable cryptocurrencies. The SHIB team has been consistently making progress on their many projects. Significant benchmarks and milestones have been accomplished by the SHIB ecosystem. On April 18th, Binance announced that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the Innovation Zone, marking a significant development. Among the tokens set to leave the Innovation Zone on April 18th are Shiba Inu, FracShare Trust Wallet token, and 1inch, as revealed in a recent release by the biggest cryptocurrency exchange. In their release, Binance stated that they created the Innovation Zone to provide a secure environment for users to trade innovative ventures. Eventually, we may find that some of these projects have been worthwhile and are up to our usual high standards. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove SHIB and the other tokens from the Innovation Zone after thorough evaluations. After Binance reviewed SHIB based on many variables, it reached this milestone. To put the network through its paces, someone wrote a script to generate millions of wallets. The beta edition of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network, Puppetnet, is still seeing a dramatic increase in the number of hosted wallets, which has people wondering what's causing it. A script was reportedly created to create millions of wallets in order to stress test the network, as revealed in previous revelations. A recent tweet revealed the identity of a team member involved in the Shiba Inu-based NFT project Ship Pixel Pups. The person admitted to writing the software that activated more than 3 million transactions on the beta network and created more than 9 million Puppetnet wallets. The team member continued by saying that they were also responsible for creating about 1,620 tokens for the test network. According to Puppetscan, Puppetnet's official block explorer, there have been more than 3.47 million transactions on the network, and there are presently 13.3 million wallet addresses. Keep in mind that there was a recent 86% increase in the number of wallets, which surpassed 5 million. This extraordinary surge was set in motion by this screenplay. Prior to launching on the mainnet, the test network will allow interested parties to run a number of tests on the network to ensure its efficacy and reliability. All coins, transactions, and activities seen on the testnet are for testing purposes only and are not real, as Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, has frequently stressed. It is commendable to work on a script to create millions of testnet wallets, as this will help evaluate the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. It can also aid in the detection of errors that may arise throughout the procedure. In order to determine the network's dependability, stress testing is essential. According to the script's authors, they wanted to test how well the network handled heavy traffic scenarios like airdrops in games. To further evaluate the network's transaction speed, durability, and other features, they also brought up the idea of executing an airdrop script. There are currently no known issues. The SHIB flames in March were really remarkable. We destroyed 6.78 billion SHIB tokens in 540 transactions in March. The number of transactions and the total quantity of SHIB destroyed were both significantly higher than in prior months. Since October 2022, when 9.05 billion SHIB were burned in, March's burn was the highest. More than 34.9 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 separate transactions yesterday, with a single wallet accounting for 25.31% of that total. The SHIB burn tracker made the announcement yesterday. Coinbase 10, a wallet affiliated with Coinbase, sent 25,313,097 SHIB to the burn address in a single transaction, making it the largest transaction. Total burn rate increased by 1,108%, from 2.93 million SHIB the day before due to this transaction. The futures market also shows signs of an increasing trend. Open interest OI in Shiba Inus has been on the rise since the start of March. Investors' active positions in contracts serve as the metric. Data from CoinLast shows that there are now more than 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26.78 million in open futures. Prior to this last month, OI was hovering about $18 million. An indication of the increasing interest from traders in SHIB is the rise in open interest. BOI was $47.3 million when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.00001591 in early February. The current price of a Shiba Inu was $0.00001083. The SHIB price is presently following a continuation pattern that has been covered on News BTC in ascending triangle. As of today's price dropped to 0.000000x4, SHIB has hit a new all-time low, hence the upward trend is still valid. By April's end, we may have seen the last call on whether bulls or bears would win out. Lately, Shiba Inu has started to attract the attention of investors. Following a steady increase that began a month ago, its futures open interest OI has lately surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million. There has been a recent uptick in activity, which could lead to a price increase. The sum of all open futures contracts that have not been closed out by an offset deal is called futures open interest. It basically stands for the total amount of contracts that market players still have open and are actively holding. An exponential growth in an asset's open interest indicates that traders are positioning themselves for potential price fluctuations and a large influx of new capital is entering the market. The open interest in Shiba Inu tokens has surged by more than 52% from a low of $18.05 million on March 13th to a current high of $27.51 million, or $2.4 trillion according to data from CoinLast, an intelligence platform for futures trading. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of SHIB and its open interest, since the asset's price often goes up when its OI goes up. On February 5th, OI reached $3.2 trillion tokens, a gain of $47.3 million. On the same day, the asset's value reached its highest point this year, $0.0000001527 as a result of this. Nonetheless, the assets price and SHIB's OI both began to decline after February 5th. Open interest is once again experiencing a significant increase in value, following a dip to its lowest point on March 13th. The asset's price, according to investors, will rise in tandem. Binance Trade volume has also shown renewed interest in SHIB. Over the previous 4 days, Binance's Shiba Inu volume has progressively risen daily, after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. The current volume for today is 2.44 trillion tokens. While it is in the midst of a protracted consolidation period, SHIB is attempting to break out of an ascending triangle despite its current underperformance. At the moment, the asset is worth $0.000011 USD, down 0.97% over the last 24 hours but up 0.8% over the last hour. If the triangle is broken, SHIB can go for the $0.000015 highs from February. An uptick in demand could help it achieve its objectives, and recent patterns indicate that the asset has grown popular among market participants, revealed that, globally, SHIB ranked among the 3 most viewed properties. Aside from the long-rumored connection between the Shiba Inu community and renowned musician Scott Page, rumors have circulated that top American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms will be accepting SHIB on his online store as part of an NFT collaboration. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.